Alright, hi everyone, my name is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. So today's date is 28th of August at 4 p.m. in Singapore. Today we're going to look at three currency pairs again, and that will be the dollar against the yen, the pound against the dollar, and Aussie against the dollar. So we shall look at the dollar yen first. So this is dollar yen in the day one chart. So what happened is that price has appreciated ever since it rebounded off from 200 EMA. As you can see, 200 EMA, the 200 moving average is a strong support level, alright, when it comes to this pair. So right now is that price has gotten resisted at the final exhaustion level measured by Fibonacci expansion. So the level is 104.23. So what happened is that for this whole week itself, since the first day of this week, price has been falling. Right, it has been falling for the whole week. Not by a lot, about 50 pips. But essentially, what we want to look at is when is the right price or the right support level for us to go for a long again. Alright, so let us zoom into the H4 charts. Well, looking at H4 charts, the first thing that we have to do is to probably find the support level, right, for us to look for a long trade. So this is the level. We'll scroll back a little bit. We can see that this level has been a strong resistance over here as well, here as well. So right now it has became a support turn, a resistance turn support level. So what we can do right now is to wait for it to retrace, wait for price to retrace all the way down to this area. And maybe we can we can plot a Fibonacci retracement. You can see that this is actually the Fibonacci retracement 50% level. Another level that I would like to take note is the 30.2% at the price of 103.04. So if I were to look for a long opportunity for this pair, I will wait for price to fall into this region, right? The region between 102.74 and 103.04. Alright, so that is all for dollar yen. Next, we would like to look at pound against the dollar. Well, this pair has been appreciating a lot. There's even a trend line that I plotted here, a rising trend line that has helped to support price strongly, as you can see. But finally, it has reached the final exhaustion level at 1.7154. Again, plotted by Fibonacci expansion. And a reversal has taken place. So price has been falling since somewhere in the mid-July this year, and it has broken below the rising trend line and further broken below the 200 moving average, and therefore it is very, very bearish in my opinion. So the next thing is that we would like to look for a short opportunity in this case. So let us zoom in into the forward chart. In the forward chart, I can see that the 55 moving average looks like a strong resistance over here, and right now it's about to hit the 55 as moving average again. Something very interesting about this price movement is that when the price fall, since the reversal has taken place, it essentially will form a step when it moves sideways, and when the step is over, it will fall further and forms another step, then it falls again, forms another step, and falls again. So right now we are in the process of forming the step again, and it's about to hit 55 moving average. And if we zoom in into the H1 chart, okay, the 1 hour chart, the 200 moving average can be seen as a very strong resistance level as well. So again, since the reversal has taken place, price got resisted by the 200 moving averages here again as well. Right now is about to hit the 200 moving average again. So what we can see here is that the steps is about, I believe it's about to finish forming. You can see there's a resistance level over here, and price has been resisted at this level, which is 1.6596. okay, so if we are looking at the shorts at this point of time, it is possible, but just make sure that your stop loss is set above the 200 moving average, well, at least 20 to 30 pips or 40 pips away, probably at the price of 1.6643. That would be a good level for your stop loss. And look at the profit, the reward wise, well, it's quite a lot. Just look at the week 1 chart, it's quite obvious. Even if we draw a trend line, there is still a lot of space for it to fall. So yes, that is all for the pound against dollar. And finally, we'll look at Aussie against the dollar. This is a week 1 chart, a weekly chart. It's showing a falling trend line. A falling trend channel. Over here, we can see that there is a very strong support level, or rather a support turn resistance level. So ever since price has broken below this level at 0.9648, it fell, got supported at the bottom of the falling trend channel, came up and got resisted again at the level of 0.9648. So what's happening right now at this region is it looks like a range to me. So let us zoom into the day 1 chart. Right, yes, we can see that we can see that this level has been a range. Right, and what we can see here is that the price has been supported by 200 EMA, 200 moving averages, attempted to break below, but it then rebounded again. So we can actually see that price may appreciate further to the top of the range at 0.9453. But then again, when we zoom in into H4 charts, something very interesting over here. Let us plot a support level. Alright, this level at 0.9359 has been a strong support level. As you can see, price has been supported over at this region, and then it turned into a resistance level. So what happened is that price has broken above this resistance level, and therefore price may appreciate a little bit further. But what actually caught my attention is these 2 points, the 2 pullbacks over here. So then again, I try to plot another resistance level and find that this level has been a good support as well back then. And right now, as price has reached this level at 0.9360, we can see strong pullbacks over here, and that means that price may fall when it reach this area. So to conclude it, we can see that this region itself, alright, this region itself is where we decide to short it or to long. So since price is below this yellow region, we will definitely want to look for a short trade. But if it breaks above, then of course we'll look for a long opportunity. So right now is that there is a reversal candle. Right over here, there is a reversal candle, and if price is able to fall a little bit further to form a confirmation, that might be a good short trade. So with that, I have came to the end of today's analysis, and thank you for watching. See you again soon.